Hey guys, quick midday update. Recording this just before noon on noon central. Just wanted to point some stuff out here. The ES has been pretty bullish. We started down here this morning. This is a 30-minute chart, by the way. But I put out on Twitter that I was it's basically an automatic short if we get up to this top level up here. This whole area is very good resistance, and I'll show you where that comes from in a second. But the equivalent level in the spider is right around 483, I think it is. I'll check that in a second. But anyway, before we get to the spider, this whole area is one big area, but you want to split these areas up because it's just it's a pretty wide area to use because you need to use a stop that's above there. So so splitting them into two sometimes is better. Usually is better when they're too wide. Anyway, so off of a level like this, and again, this is not a prediction or financial advice, but you can get bigger moves, right? Because the area is just such a solid resistance area. It doesn't mean it'll hold this time. We never, of course, know that. But I'm just giving everybody a heads up. If we do get up here, somewhere in the 85 to 88 type area, that would certainly be a short. And that is good until about 2 p.m. But for the day trading crowd. But if you're swing trading, obviously you can initiate a trade up here, anytime type thing. So. Not saying it's going to work. It's been a very bullish day. Could go up and blow through, but that's the risk we take on it on any trade. The risk is the same. So, just if you do short something up here, this isn't for like a little reaction. You know what I mean? We're looking for a bigger move. For sure, potentially definitely down to this 55-ish area, and potentially a lot more. So, just if you're holding longs, I just want to give you guys a heads up too. You might want to exit, and not try to hold for too much more. But that's up to you guys. So let's just bring up the spider so I get the level right for you. So you can see that these areas, so it's 448 to 449-ish. I don't know what, I'm not sure what I just said, but so it comes from these highs back here in September, second week of September. These are just pretty powerful resistance, and it's valid until it's broken, right? So we are kind of hovering right below it, but if we get a little spike up, that's what I will personally be doing. Again, I'm not recommending you guys do anything, but that's where it comes from. So somewhere in the 448 to 49 type area, something like this. If you're trading spiders, if you're trading options, I would be looking at the 446 puts, maybe even the 447s, because when you're expecting a bigger move, or you not that you're expecting it, but that there's the potential for a huge move, you really want to get a bigger delta. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you can look it up online, but basically the delta means that for every point the underlying, so in this case the spider moves, that's how much your option will move. Now there's other factors that influence that too. Volatility, theta, which is the time to expiration, but just in general, for delta itself, if you could get the possibility of a bigger move, you really want to capitalize on that as much as possible if you're not trading the stock of the future, or whatever product you're looking at. So that's it. Hopefully that helps some people, and we'll talk to you in the next one.